Loretta Lynch seems to be at it again. Came across this article on my Facebook page. Attorney General Lynch makes secret deal to share NSA data bypassing the Fourth Amendment. She should have been removed when she got on that airplane and had that conversation months ago. But, you know, that's the way things are. Well, everyone is happy and celebrating the incoming Trump administration. The Imperial Obama regime is done screwing us. Until 12:01 on January 20th, 2017, Judge Napolitano explains a secret order by Attorney General Loretta Lynch that allows NSA, who, as you know, has been spying on all of us, to share data with other government agencies. Now, on the surface, this may sound good because it would allow agencies to move faster in potential threats. But the problem is that Napolitano explains this order bypasses the Fourth Amendment. This allows the law enforcement to bypass the Fourth Amendment to acquire evidence of criminal behavior without a search warrant from a judge based on a probable cause, which has been the law of the land. So whatever agency that has access to the data, again from the NSA, spying on all of us, the FBI, state police, prosecutors, foreign agencies, etc., will not have to seek a warrant anymore. The data can be given to anybody who wants it if they need it. She, Lynch, has removed all the walls around this stuff, the data. This is such an abuse of the power. One hopes the judge who has Trump's ear will warn him, and the incoming Attorney General Jeff Sessions will reverse it. But at this point, with only hours to go, we can only imagine what other actions this dangerous Obama regime has taken against the American people. That said, Obama leaves office, he is trashing everything in his path, leaving one hell of a mess behind for Trump. So let me again reiterate a warning. The Democrats have been trashing this country for years. They are creating so much havoc. A GOP sweep, as we have experienced in the ballot box, was inevitable. The Democrats are setting the GOP up for a major fall when all the damage they have done is finally blows up on the GOP's watch. This will open doors for Democrats to have legitimate argument of "see, we told you so." From that, they hope to regain power that will lead to a one-party rule. Go ahead and party, Americans, but the last 8 years was nothing but a warm-up for the trouble coming. And I totally agree, but I don't see the GOP being the same GOP that it's going to be after Trump gets into office. Well, he's in office now, but after he gets in there and starts draining the swamp, I think the GOP is going to turn out to be a different party. Honestly, I don't think it's going to be the same as it was. I think all the elitists need to go in that drain, right down that drain. So let me play this little video here, and once we're done playing this video, I'll come back.
Now this, just coming to us, this is news to me, but the judge has got it for us. Listen up. Attorney General Loretta Lynch has signed a secret deal just days before leaving office, ordering the NSA to give spying data to other federal agencies. Judge Napolitano brought us this story. He knows what's going on. What is going on?
Well, we don't know exactly what's going on, and if our friends at the New York Times did not have a source in the Justice Department, we probably wouldn't even know about the secret order. But on background, we all know and we all understand that the NSA spies on everybody all the time. Every text message, every email, every phone call, all digital data that flows anywhere in the United States, the NSA gathers, ostensibly for intelligence purposes, to see if there are plans or plots afoot to impair the national security of the United States, not for law enforcement purposes. They're not looking for evidence of crimes, right, which is theoretically, I disagree with this, but this is the law. This is the way in which they gather it.
Okay.
Now, Mrs. Lynch has said you can take that data and you can give it to the FBI, you could give it to the New Jersey State Police, you could give it to the Bergen County prosecutor, you could give it to MI6 and MI5, you can give it to anybody who wants it if they need it.
You can give it to the British Secret Service?
You could give it
or
to
anybody
the
you
Israelis.
want to give it to?
Yes, she has removed the walls around this stuff. Now, what does this do? This allows law enforcement to bypass the Fourth Amendment, to acquire evidence of criminal behavior without a search warrant from a judge based on probable cause, which has been the law of the land in the United States of America since 1791.
Knowing Donald Trump as you do you think that he would reverse this on day one of his administration? Is he opposed to this kind of dissemination of information?
In the many conversations I've had with him about law enforcement issues, we did not discuss this. He did call, he did endorse the type of surveillance that we now undergo during the campaign, but I believe when he did, he was talking about surveillance for national security purposes, not using national security as a subterfuge to acquire evidence of criminal behavior in order to avoid the Fourth Amendment. Two virtues to the Fourth Amendment. One, it forces the government to focus on people who are probably guilty because of the standard in there, probable cause of crime. So I'm at home, I'm sound asleep, I'm a judge in New Jersey. The sheriff calls me and says, there's 3 state troopers got to see you right away. They come into my living room. I'm wearing my gym shorts and a T-shirt. They're showing me probable cause of crime, and I handwrite out a search warrant, and they go and serve the search warrant right then and there. Without me, and there are hundreds and thousands of judges that do this, not just me, I'm giving you a personal example, without me as the intermediary inserted in there by the Fourth Amendment, nothing would prevent them from breaking down any door they wanted and seeking anything, until now. Now they can do it electronically, thanks to Mrs. Lynch's secret order.
And this is just something that very recently signed, in secret, right before...
Signed it on January 2nd, January 3rd. The New York Times broke it over the weekend.
So that's 3 weeks before she leaves office.
Yes.
She signed what amounts to an extraordinary development.
Why would Barack Obama?
Yes, why?
Who freed somebody like Chelsea Manning and this FALN guy. Why would he do something like this, which is a frontal assault on civil liberties? I don't understand it.
It's really inexplicable.
And I don't even know if the reporters who questioned him in his final press conference yesterday were aware of this, because I didn't hear any question about it.
It is a fascinating subject. I'm glad you brought it to our attention.
Thank you.
Because I was totally ignorant of this. I mean, I can see handing information to a foreign intelligence service which is friendly to you, Israel, Britain. I can see that. I know you don't agree with it, but I can see doing that.
For national security purposes, not for law enforcement purposes.
But law enforcement is different.
Yes.
That's totally different.
Yes.
All right, Judge, we will see you shortly, I believe.
Yes.
So, that is what we're talking about here. I find it unbelievable that anybody would allow this to pass. I really do. I just think that it's just horrible that we have to worry about everything we say and do. You know, you could be sitting talking to a friend about something that is personal, and now they can take that information and use it against you, and without a search warrant come in and decide to take away your children or your dog or, you know, whatever it is, or haul you off to jail. Whatever they decide to do, they can use this information against you. And that's something that, you know, completely obliterates the Fourth, and also just completely obliterates personal rights in the first place. So I figured I would show this to y'all and see what you think, and if you like this, you can go to the article which is on this website here. I like this article. I haven't checked out the rest of the website yet, but it's savingtherepublic.com. It's a blog, and you can check them out, and if you like my videos, please like and subscribe. You have a good evening, and I'll be back again soon.